fashion and a beauty influencer and is also awarded the Influencer of the Year 2020, Naya Sehgal. So, Naya Sehgal, would you like to say something or introduce yourself?
First of all, thank you for such a lovely introduction, Nikita. So basically, I am a fashion and a beauty content creator. As already introduced by Nikita, my name is Naya Sehgal, and today we're having this very fun live session. And I'm sure this is going to be very interesting and as well as informative. And just stay tuned till the end because we have also a very special surprise for you all.
Okay, so Naya, today we have you here and we would like to ask some questions from you and know your views about some things.
Yeah.
So, what do you think people are mostly concerned about when it comes to their skin?
So skin is the largest organ of the body and it covers the most of the area of a selfie, and as you know that we live in an Instagram world and we all are obsessed with selfies and pictures and whatnot. So in that way skin becomes a very important part, and having a good skincare routine again is very important because that is what forms a good skin. So when it comes to skincare, I'm sure a lot of people do different things, but somewhere they lack something. That is the reason why they are concerned about things like acne, pigmentation, aging. So all of these concerns, which are the major concerns, be it acne, pigmentation or aging, all of these concerns, they require a good skincare routine. So having a good skincare routine is the most important thing. I'll again put my emphasis on this fact. So yeah.
Okay, and what do you think about Korean skincare? Like, how do they do their routine? How do they manage their skin?
So Korean skincare is actually not that complicated. It's quite simple. I think Korea is quite obsessed with skincare. They follow a 10-step skincare routine, which like it's a huge deal. We are very like we don't even follow a 3-step skincare routine, and having a 10-step skincare routine, that means that they are very focused and determined towards their skin. They want to see good results because they do put a lot of effort into following a good skincare routine, and they basically focus more on hydration and nourishing the skin. They do not use harsh chemicals or anything which doesn't suit the skin or basically rips off the natural oil of the skin. So they follow a skincare routine which is quite natural and hydrates the skin. It's quite simple. They cleanse, hydrate and nourish the skin with the right kind of nutrients and not following any sort of harsh chemicals.
So, like, you gave a brief introduction about what is Korean
Yes.
skincare. So, I would like to know from you, have you personally tried any Korean products and have you personally tried the 10-step Korean skincare routine? And if yes, how did it work for you?
So basically, like everybody, I'm obsessed with glass glow skin. We all are. We all want a glass glow, hydrated and well suppled skin. So in order to achieve that, I did try a lot of things. I did try. I do lack that kind of dedication to follow a 10-step skincare routine. I haven't yet done that. But yes, I do have tried a lot of skincare Korean.
Okay, and I've seen a lot of Indians are nowadays using a lot of Korean skincare. Do you think Korea has been able to influence Indians into using Korean skincare?
Well, talking about Korean influence, it's not only on skincare. I think it's on everything, be it music, food, and movies, everything. I think Indians are quite taken over by Korea. So when it comes to skincare, I think what attracts the most is the simplicity the Korean skincare has. It's quite simple, like do not follow any harsh chemicals or anything, just simply clean, hydrate and nourish the skin with the right type of skincare. I think this is what attracts the most and about the Korean skincare.
And I've seen a lot of Indians complain about the fact that Korean skincare would only work on Korean skin. We have a
Okay.
different type of skin.
Yeah.
So, do you think that's a myth or that's just something that people believe which is wrong or something?
Well, I wouldn't say that. See, every skin is different. So again, the amount of dedication everyone's putting into their skincare routine is what matters the most. maybe they are not following the right type of skincare products for their skin, or maybe they are not that dedicated towards following that skincare routine. I wouldn't say that it's the fault of being an Indian that you are not able to achieve the skin that Korean people have. I think it's all on the skin type and having the right type of skincare products.
And I'm sure you're well aware about Beauty Talk. Have you tried any products from Beauty Talk and seen how it worked for you?
Well, I have tried a lot of Korean products which again are available at Beauty Talk, and I have to say that one should definitely try them. The Korean skincare, as I said, they focus on hydration, and hydration is the key to having a good skin. So definitely one should try them.
Were there any products that were your personal favorite or any specific brand that you really liked?
Well, I'll have to talk about few of the brands that I have over here with me as well. So this serum right here, you can check out. So this is really good, and this is for people who are facing issues with aging. So, and again I'll show one more favorite product. This is a blackhead remover, and blackheads are a common concern, and we
Korean
all,
especially.
yes, and they convert into acne. So it's very important to use a patch like this and remove it from the end.
Okay, so those were some questions for Naya. I'm so glad you like Korean skincare. And we have a huge announcement for all of you. So do you think we should let them guess, or should we reveal it?
I think it's time to reveal.
Okay, so we have this huge announcement for you guys. We have this huge happiness sale which is happening from 23rd October to 4th of November. And the main offer that we have is that if you purchase any product worth 1499, then you get a tote bag free. The bag that we're going to be giving free is this bag. And what do you think? What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you see this product?
Well, I want to get my hands on this bag and go to some beach with all my skincare in it. So I think this is what I'll do with this bag.
And do you think it's trending these days?
Yes, it is definitely, because see, it's a sustainable bag. You can carry it anywhere for shopping. I can put my laptop in it, my books in it. I can put anything. It's quite spacious. In fact, if you check from inside, it's quite spacious. I can put a lot of things inside it and go to anywhere.
Okay, so guys, this is our main deal. If you purchase products worth 1499, then you get this absolutely free. And I'm sure you guys would love to get this. And this material is quite strong as well. And
Even the color is very nice.
it's
It's a very
neutral.
subtle.
And you can carry it
subtle
anywhere.
color. Yes, right.
So that was our main offer. Other than that, we have a lot of combos which are on flat 20% off. So we'll be showing you some combos. So this is one combo we have, which is called the Keep the Moisture combo. We have an Aerial mask sheet, we have skin food, and we have aloe relaxing cream. And other than that, we also have an anti-aging combo specifically for you, which is known as the anti-aging special combo. There are 5 products in this. If you want, you can have a look, have a closer look. And there are many brands into this. It's not like limited to one specific brand. Would you like to try one of the products and see how it works on your skin?
Yeah, sure, I would love to.
Okay, so this is the YE Effector serum from It's
You
Skin.
can put some.
Yeah. So one thing that
It
is
feels
really
good, yeah.
good about this is that it's very, very lightweight.
Yeah, it's actually very light and it feels good. It feels nice on the skin.
Okay, and next combo we have is the Pigmentation Remedies combo. Again, in this we have a bunch of products which is from It's Skin, and this is from Apu, and this is from Nisha. Another serum we have in this.
I think this is a great combo for those people who don't apply enough sunscreen and then get pigmentation.
I think pigmentation is one of the very big concerns
Yeah, it's
of
a major
Indians.
concern,
Yeah.
right?
And then we have the Go Away Dullness combo. Again, we have 3 products in this. We have a cleanser, we have a serum, and we have, this is a watery cream, and it's very lightweight, guys. All these 3 products are very lightweight, and I've emphasized this quite a lot of times that when you apply Korean skincare, even if you apply like couple of products, like 3 to 4 products, it won't feel heavy on your skin.
Yes.
So those were some combos, and would you like to also talk about some combos?
Yeah, sure. I actually have this, I just talked about this blackhead. This is a blackhead remover combo, And again, blackheads, you can simply remove them with these using this combo. And I'll also have another combo with me, which is for anti-aging. So you can cleanse your face using this cleansing foam. Then you can apply a toner. This is a collagen toner. And you can simply use this mask, which is a super hydrating mask, and end it with the Hydro Glow cream. I think this is a perfect combo for anyone who's looking for a lot of hydration and wants to go for an anti-aging treatment.
I think you should really try this product. This is honestly my personal favorite. It's
Okay.
an Ariel Watermelon Hydro Glow Cream.
I'm sure it will
They
smell
also
nice.
have and it's specifically used in summers. I love the smell. You should try it on yourself. You would love it.
It smells like a watermelon actually.
Yeah, and this is actually one of our best sellers, so you should definitely get your hands on this.
So I'm applying this product. Smells like
I think we should
watermelon.
also try the lip eye remover product from Ariel, and we can show how it works on makeup.
This is very hydrating.
And it's very light, you also
Yes,
notice.
yes. It feels very good, very refreshing.
And the good thing is that this stays for like 24 hours, and sometimes even longer, so you don't have to keep applying it over and over.
That's great.
Other than that, could you just pass me that product from Ariel,
Yeah, sure.
the lip remover, lip and eye remover? So guys, I would really like to show how this works on your skin. We can try this on.
Actually, with this BB cream from
Misha.
Misha, this one is free. So you can get your hands on this one and you'll get this one free.
Do you want to show how this works on your
Yeah,
skin?
sure. I'll do
You can
one
just
thing.
try and
I'll
apply,
apply a little bit of foundation, BB cream.
And that's not just BB cream, guys. That also has SPF, so that's like sunscreens mixed with BB cream. So you don't have to apply two things separately.
So again, this BB cream is very light and it seems hydrating as well. It's not like my skin is not drying up. And can you?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Just point it a bit towards the camera so
Yeah.
that they can have a clear look.
So as you can see,
It has come off in just like
and
literally one
it's
swipe.
for eye and lip. So again, it's again a very nice product for it will remove all the makeup in just one wipe.
Other than that, we also have this very special combo, which is the Make Me Blush combo, and you have 5 different mask sheet from 5 different brands. We have Mediheal, we have Skin Food, we have It's Skin, we have Misha, and we also have Ariel. And all the flavors are completely different. This is lemon, this is rice, coconut. So there's a lot of variety here. And guys, like I told you before, the main offer that we have is that if you purchase products worth ₹1499, you get a tote bag free. Naya, could you just tell me a bit features like of this bag specifically?
So as I've already said, it's very spacious and you can simply put it on your shoulder and carry it
It's
around.
very lightweight also.
Yeah,
Like, you
it's
must
very
have
light.
noticed that when you carry bags, they're very heavy.
Yes, right. So I think it's very nice. I can simply carry it with any casual look and I can put a lot of things in it.
Exactly.
It's very
It's pretty
spacious.
huge,
Yeah, right.
Okay guys, so that was it, and if you guys have any questions or if you guys would like to know some things, you can ask us and we'll give you that time.
Yeah, so we'll definitely like to take some questions before we end this live session. So guys, you can ask us anything. I'll do one thing. I'll just try the makeup
Yeah, sure.
remover, right? Wipes. Can you give me a wipe? So guys, I'm trying this lip remover.
See guys, it has just come off directly. She didn't have to like keep scrubbing over it.
Yes. So in just one wipe, I was able to remove my lipstick, a part of my lipstick. So it clearly works really good.
So guys, we're looking at some questions that you guys are sending. So let us know if you have any questions. We're specifically waiting for you guys to ask some questions.
Yes.
Okay, so we have a question from June Grace. I
Okay.
have dull and dark skin. What do I do to brighten it up?
Dull and dark skin. So again, a dull skin is because your skin is not hydrated enough. So you'll have to work on your hydration. So first, clean your face with a good face wash that doesn't strip off the natural oil. Because it's very important, because some people use a wrong face wash that removes all the oil also that our skin has. So I think it's very important to use the right face wash, because that is the first step of your skincare, and if you go wrong over there, there's no point.
Could you
of going.
also suggest some natural remedies she could probably use to clear her skin?
So I think using aloe vera gel is a good thing. You can simply mix it with a you can say honey. You can
Turmeric.
you can mix it
lemon
with
and all those kind of things.
right,
together.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Or you can simply apply it on your skin. That also works.
Exactly. And other than that, if you want a specific product, then you can try our green grape cleansing foam. You can also try the aloe relaxing cream, which is very nice for dull skin. Let's see if we have more
Yes,
questions.
let's take some more questions.
Okay, so this Priya Madan is asking, she has a concern for oily skin. What do you think should be the general routine for oily skin?
So oily skin is also of different types basically. Is it only the T area that's oily, or the entire skin is oily? So if the T area is oily and the rest of the skin is dry, that means that you have a dry combination skin. So this is what I would call. But yes, if you have a completely oily skin, then using a product which has a sebum control, for example a sebum control face wash, is something that will work really well, because when the skin is oily, it is because it is releasing a lot of sebum and oil, and it is important to control that sebum and oil. So some face wash which can help you remove that control that sebum and all, that will work for now.
And I think this product I personally tried, even though I do not have much oily skin, but specifically during summers I tend to get a bit of oil around some areas, like
Okay.
you shared, sometimes you have it around your
Yeah,
areas.
right.
So this product is from Apio, which is the Deep Cleanse Foam Cleanser. So
Okay,
this works
yes.
this penetrates through your skin, and it works really, like it does the proper deep cleansing procedure. So if you
Okay.
have oily skin, then I would recommend this for you.
Yes.
We have more questions. There's one question
Yeah.
from Neha that says, I have acne on my skin. I have tried so many products, but it didn't work for me. So what would you want to recommend, Neha?
So Neha, acne is because you are not putting much attention when you get whiteheads and blackheads. So whiteheads and blackheads convert into acne, like nodules, papules and pustules. These are the different types of acne. So first the skin forms a whitehead which converts into blackheads once it gets oxidized. So I would say that you should definitely try this blackhead patch, because controlling it in the early stage is what will work for you. And once you have acne, I think it's very important to control it with the right type of treatment or right type of products. Again, hydration is also very important, because you just cannot skip hydrating.
So that was a very nice opinion about oily skin and acne prone skin. Another question is, please suggest something for dark spots.
It's pigmentation. So we have a very good combo that you just introduced.
Yeah.
So basically that combo will definitely help you with pigmentation, and also you should definitely apply a lot of sunscreen, because pigmentation, although there are a lot of reasons of pigmentation, but the major reason is because you are not applying enough sunscreen. So if you want to control it, then you should definitely apply a lot of sunscreen, but otherwise you can just purchase our pigmentation combo, and you can definitely, it will help you.
Also guys, we have another very exciting offer. If you buy any 2 Dashing Diva nails, you get a nail serum free. I would just like to show you the nail serum. So you can just buy any 2 Dashing Diva products, and we will also show you how Dashing Diva works on your nails. We'll just show you that in a couple of minutes.
This looks nice.
About the nail serum, would you like to try it on your nails?
Yeah, sure.
So this is how it looks. It's very lightweight and it seems very interesting.
Yeah.
supposed to apply this over nails, and it really gives you that shine and makes
Gloss,
yeah, and
yeah.
gives you that complete look.
So it hydrates as well, right?
Yeah, definitely. And you can apply it on, either over Dashing Diva nails, or even if you apply any nail paint, you can apply it over that as well. And I would like to show you how exactly Dashing Diva works on your nails. So, would you like to try it, or should I try it?
Yeah,
on my
sure.
nails?
I would like to try it.
Okay.
I'm very excited to try this.
And have you ever tried Dashing Diva before?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so it's very simple. We have two kinds of nails. One is gel nails and one is stick-on nails. So this
Okay.
is stick-on nails. Can you just choose any one that you like?
I think I'll go with
Let me
this
just put
one.
This here.
This one looks nice.
Yeah, so it's very easy. You just have to peel off the wrapper and
So I'm just removing this. And I'll put it on my nails. Yes, this is the right way.
Let's see if we have some more questions also.
Guys, can you see how simple is it? I just applied and it just took me a few seconds.
And guys, this would stay for up to 14 days. You can apply it anytime, anywhere. It's very, very simple. You can remove it
Yeah.
also easily. There's a specific chip that comes which helps you remove the nails. And we would also like to show you how these are gel nails, how gel nails work on your nails. So this procedure takes a little longer than stick-on nails. And just pick any one.
Yeah,
that you
I'll
like.
just take.
And these are our new collection of Dashing Diva glaze nails.
So
I
guys,
just
can you
like-
see this looks quite amazing. You just need to put it on your nail and you're done.
So these are our very main products, which is the glaze gel nail dome effect. So these are some of the samples that we have. Should I try it on my nails?
Yeah,
as
sure,
well?
sure.
Just choose one for me, anything that you like. Any specific
I'm
one that you like.
I'm liking this one more. So I think
Okay.
you should try this one, and
Okay.
I
okay.
feel this one is
These
looking
are a
better.
bit small for my nails because I have
It
long
looks
nails.
amazing on my nails. Honestly, it looks
The
great.
thing with stick-on nails is that, gel nails is that they can also be used on nails that are a bit longer. So since I have long nails,
Yes.
I would like to.
So you can also try another one.
So guys, instead of trying this, since I already have nail paint on, you simply have to just stick it. You have to take you just have to what do you call that? What's that? word?
File.
Yeah. You have to take a file and you have to
Yeah.
file your nails. So that's how it works. And we also have you must have seen it on the website. We also have a specific lamp for your nails, and it's not working at the moment.
No, it will work. So what does it do?
It's basically a nail lamp. So whenever you apply nail paint or whenever you're trying to do your nails, even
Okay.
when you go for manicure, you must have noticed that they specifically put up a lamp.
Okay, that's
So
great.
those were some of our offers, and I guess we
Like,
don't
can
have
we
any
take more questions? Do we
Yeah,
have?
yeah. Wait, let me see if we have more questions. Guys, we're waiting for you to ask some questions.
Yes.
Please ask us questions. You will not get the same chance again. We have Naya Sehgal. She's been awarded the Influencer of the Year. So you really can ask all your queries and any specific questions you have. It doesn't have to be
Yeah.
related to skincare. Like she's into beauty,
Beauty,
fashion,
skincare,
lifestyle.
anything
You can
you
ask
can ask.
any question. Okay, wait. There's one question. Please
Yeah.
suggest some for dark spots. What would you like to suggest for dark spots?
So again, dark spots are basically a type of pigmentation only. So to avoid that thing, you should apply a lot of sunscreen and follow a good skincare routine. But if in case you already have them, then you should go opt for products like we have for pigmentation, and I'm sure we do have some good products for dark spots as well. So I think following a good skincare routine for that is very important, and you can follow up with some treatments as well.
Okay, we have another question of iNegi official. Please tell me more about the tote bag that you have launched. Can you just show the tote bag
Yeah,
again?
sure. I think this is the highlight of the live session today.
And this is made of canvas material,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So this is a sustainable bag.
Yeah.
There is no cruelty happening here. It's very lightweight. Could you
Yeah.
just tell more about it?
Yeah, it's lightweight, it's washable, you can reuse it multiple
Exactly.
times, and you can put anything in it. It's quite spacious and it's quite strong and durable.
And guys, I
So-
think it's such a deal to get something like this for just 1499. It's not at all.
Yeah, it's absolutely like
Exactly.
a steal deal, so you should definitely get your hands on this one. I'm liking this. a lot.
The person is asking how can we use it, like how I've seen this in South Korea. Okay, yeah, so this very pretty much comes from South Korea itself. This is very trending
Yeah.
there, and Indians have also started adopting something like this. This person wants to know how can you use it, like what would you put into this bag, like you can put your laptop, you can put your books, you can just put your makeup as well, but like what if you took this
Yeah.
bag, what would you put into it?
So I mostly go for shoots, and I mostly go for working in cafes and all. So I think I'll put my laptop in it. I'll put a makeup bag in it, or a skincare which I use it like a go-to skincare. So I'll put all of these things, and maybe one book which I read, and some other things like related to jewelry, or maybe my cell phone also it will go.
Do you think there's like enough space to put things into this?
Yeah,
I would just like to
definitely.
show you how big
My
this
laptop
bag
will
is.
fit into this, I'm sure.
Exactly, it's super huge, and it's like very big in length as well. So you can put a lot of things into this, and it's very strong.
It's very comfortable to carry. I think that's the most important thing.
Exactly.
Okay. And as you said, it's lightweight, so that adds to it.
And this guy is also asking, can boys use it? What do you think?
I think yes, because it's very subtle and very neutral, and will go with everyone. Like
Yeah, it's nothing too colorful.
Yeah.
So I think anyone, literally
I think
anyone can use
there's
it.
no gender defined.
Yeah,
to this.
anyone from any
Yeah.
age group,
It's
any
very
gender.
simple
Yeah,
and-
exactly. Please tell me more about your new Diwali combos that looks extremely nice. Like we just showed you, so the products are a little bit,
Yeah,
not
I
like-
do have one like this one. This is a hydrating combo for anti-aging. So you can get your hands on this one.
So we have a lot of products here. The combos are actually pretty mixed up here since we had already shown you. But if you check our website, you will find all these combos, and they're at flat 20% off. So guys, that was our major offer. Please make sure that you come live on our website on 23rd of October, and our products will be live on sale from 23rd of October to 4th of November, and you can grab this deal anytime.
That's amazing. I'll be the first one.
Okay, so guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching our live, and thank you so much, Naya Sehgal, for being here.
Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun doing